Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel Zee Designs. In this tutorial, we are going to add mockup to Lay's packaging design. To understand each and every part, watch this video carefully. Firstly, we will import PSD mockup file in Adobe Photoshop. Now import the design you have made in Illustrator. Double-click on Mask Layer, it will open a new window. Now copy and paste or drag your design to this new window. Adjust the size and press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Now go to your main mockup window. If you like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Zee Designs. If you don't understand any part, then please let me know in the comment section.